Hello everyone. I teach you how to install bootable Gentoo Linux. So many people can do that. For example, virtual desktop you people using, but bootable Gentoo Linux is better more and more. But perhaps 80% people or 90% people can't install bootable Gentoo Linux. Why we can't? I teach you. First, I explain about Gentoo Linux handbook. In for example, when you install Linux, perhaps to partition or a partition and download package and do tar and you start to install. For example, I explain about Linux kernel. Please look. Optional installing firmware and or microcode. Before getting to configure kernel section, this beneficial to be aware that some devices require additional firmware to be installed on the system before they will operate correctly. This is often the case for network interface. First, you people install image as sys-kernel Linux kernel firmware and install Gentoo sources and PCI utils and make menu config, and you will do configure the kernel, and after that you may make module install, but you should not do that. That will occur error will happen. Why? To install kernel, we need to make .img file. This case, if you make module install, we expect answer that done vmlinuz.img, but that will not happen. Why? You don't install cpio program. What is that? That is the make img file. Now you do partition and download sources, but you don't have that important thing that is now this time you don't have a tool for make img file, so we will not install kernel and will happen error. Now I want to teach you solution way. Wait a minute. Before make module install, you need to install cpio program. I explain. Wait a minute. This is that a file archival tool which can also read and write tar files. cpio can make img file. Oh, so for example, your machine is AMD 64, you install 2.12.r1. Red is bad file. So you do for example image / ask app minus arc /cpio. You install this, and one thing, you people using personal computer and CPU, you are using CPU, for example AMD or Intel chip. There is a microcode, and bootable Linux. For bootable Linux, we need to img file under /boot. We need to make .img file. For example, my case, we made amd /auc.img file. I made that, and I succeeded bootable Gentoo Linux. Now that is microcode. Gentoo wiki described about microcode. Microcode is EFI system need microcode. Before, BIOS don't need, but we are using, almost people using EFI system, recently using EFI system, so we need microcode. There is two category: Intel microcode and AMD microcode. I'm using AMD microcode, and there is some way, and there is several ways, but you search how to make AMD microcode and Intel microcode, and if you do success about AMD /auc.img file, and after that you install grab2, you will success make bootable Gentoo Linux. I did it. Now I wanted to explain about how to install bootable Gentoo Linux. I think that many people will be happy using Gentoo Linux. Gentoo Linux is the best way to use computer, I think. Thank you very much.